Yo guys, super quick and easy video today. I'm going to show you how to remove almost any badge or emblem on your car. This is a very simple job. So the easiest way to do this is to simply floss it off. You can actually use dental floss. Bear in mind it will break regularly, but it will do the job. A piece of thread works just fine as well. But I found the best thing to use is fishing line. So if you've got some fishing line at home, that would be perfect. If not, a piece of thread or dental floss will do the trick. Some badges or emblems may have locator pins and some may be melted from the back. You will have to remove the bumpers to do those type, but fortunately on the GT86 you don't have to remove any bumpers, including the side badges and rear badges, in order to take them off. I'm not a fan of the whole badgeless look, but what I will be doing is painting mine green, because I'll green everything. So hope this little video is helpful. For more straight to the point tutorials, check out my channel, subscribe, like and comment. Peace out.